Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of INFINITI of Nashua, we have the 2018 Ram 2500 Cummins Turbo Diesel. So, link to the used car page will be in the description box below. Look at this thing. The one thing with the Cummins I found out of all three big diesel American trucks, this is the most industrial sounding. It's an inline six, unlike the V8s of the Duramax and Power Stroke, and it definitely feels much more like a semi-truck engine. 370 or 350, I got two confused numbers, but I did see 800 foot-pounds of torque. That is 150 more pound-feet of torque than my Hellcat, which is absolutely insanity. Ooh, I forgot about these. Coin holder and a fidget toy. Okay, that's about enough of that. All right. This is the Laramie trim. We have tow haul activated, full exhaust brake activated. We have 50s music because I was in that kind of mood this morning. Full tank of DEF and a quarter tank of diesel. Let's see what we can do with all that. Oh, Jake brake. Rev out third. You can hear. So the way the exhaust brake works is it closes the valve and essentially it uses it to spin the turbo a little bit and brake the. It's really, really cool how it works. But what it does mean is I really don't have to use the brakes all that much. I mean, only for the last few feet of stopping. Especially once you put this thing into manual mode and you really start to explore that. And also, with diesels, everything is down low. Your red line's just over 3,000 RPM. In fact, it should be still set. There we go. Your exhaust brake and turbo PSI. So it's pulling 71 horsepower. For the exhaust brake. This thing's just so cool for so many reasons. Alright, I'm done playing with the exhaust brake. So like right now, this is just the exhaust brake. Oh, now I need real brakes. You know, driving this, I feel like I'm in a semi-truck, and I love it. Full pull. I love this truck. Listen, I'm a truck guy. I always have been. I really always will be. It's the kind of truck you cruise down Main Street and blare country music. I just really punched the oh crap bar. That's not its real name, but you know what? I think you guys know the real expression. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.